Today we are bringing you the ultimate travel laptop backpack review. It's the incredible Tolaccea Expandable backpack. This thing goes from 40 to 45 liters and has some seriously impressive features, like a wet-dry isolation layer. Get it for half price, using the code in the description. So let's start from the beginning. The unboxing. The Tolaccea travel laptop backpack came in a rugged cardboard box, which kept the bag well protected during shipping. Opening it up, we pull out the backpack. It is enclosed in a Ziploc protective plastic bag, with the Tolaccea logo. Let's go ahead and open the bag, and take a look at this backpack. Removing it, we can immediately feel the heavy-duty quality of the material used in constructing this backpack. It has a dual fabric construction. Its main fabric is 600D coated polyester, and it also has a twill reinforcement fabric. This engineering approach can provide superior overall performance, compared to cheaper single fabric construction approaches. We removed the small user guide, which was attached to the back by a steel cable loop. Inside, you find cleaning and maintenance instructions, key features of the bag, an overview of the product, information on the interior compartment layout, instructions on how to use the internal base divider, ergonomic and safety features, and a QR code to Tolaccea's website, along with warranty and support information. Now let's examine this backpack in a little more detail. At first glance, you'll notice there are 5 compression straps on the back side of the backpack, with side release buckles. Flipping it over, you see we have your typical backpack shoulder straps, with an adjustable waist strap. This backpack is also a pretty large size. It is approximately 22 inches high, 12 inches wide, and between 10 and 11 inches deep, depending on if the expansion zipper has been open or not. Unbuckling the compression straps, we find that they secure a large, pouch-like compartment, which can be used to store bulky items, like sports equipment such as helmets or rackets. Inside the flap of the pouch area, there is also a velvet-lined zippered pocket that you can use to store other items. The quick-release top buckle strap gives you quick access to this area. Unzipping the bottom, we get to a partitioned compartment. Inside is actually a separate storage bag, but we will get to that later. Continuing to the next layer of this travel bag, we unzip what many users find to be revolutionary about this backpack. Here, we have an 8-liter, wet-dry isolation layer. This aluminum film material compartment addresses one of travel's most persistent problems: keeping wet, dirty, or smelly items separate from clean belongings. Another zipper creates a small opening in the top of the backpack as a way to quickly access items in the main pocket. And next is the extension zipper, which, similar to suitcases, when unzipped, expands the main compartment about an inch or 2. On one side, there is another access zipper to the main compartment. And there is another compartment, nice to store items such as travel umbrellas or selfie sticks. On this side, this one has a flap for slipping in and holding a water bottle. Now, unbuckling the waist strap, we do find a luggage pass-through strap, allowing you to easily slip it onto the handles of a roller bag. Just when you thought we were done, more zippers. Here, we open the main interior compartment. On one side, you have a dual laptop sleeve. With 2 pockets, you can easily protect 2 laptops, or a laptop and tablet. On the other side of this compartment you have a series of pockets and pouches, where you can organize items such as your passport and travel documents, keys, earbuds or headphones, phone chargers or power banks, cables, business cards, and other items. The final zipper opens the main packing compartment. There is the bag that you access from the bottom, for keeping shoes or dirty clothes separate from your clean clothes, a small flap to hide that bag when not in use, and the main compartment itself. And finally, Tolaccea has conveniently included a separate bag for shoes, toiletries, dirty clothes, or whatever else you might need to separate. This bag can be packed inside the backpack, or even carried separately. It also has a side pocket, in addition to the main compartment. Overall, you can see that Tolaccea has not skimped on this travel backpack. It has a quality build, numerous compartments, great design, and additional accessories. Let's start packing. We were going on a 5-day trip, and wanted to see what could fit into this backpack. Since we were not bringing a second set of shoes, we used the internal flap to hide the dirty clothes bag. To do that, you roll up the bag, and then cover it with the flap. A small snap then holds the flap in place. Here we go. First are pants and long sleeve shirts. Next, 5 days of socks and underwear. Then, short sleeve shirts. Finally, we usually pack a raincoat. And some supplies, like toiletries or power supplies and cables. As you can see, there was still quite a bit of room in that main packing compartment, so you could definitely fit in some more clothes, or a pair of shoes. Now let's go ahead and load up the next compartment. First, we put in our laptop and tablet. These sleeves can fit a 17.3-inch laptop, along with a 12.9-inch iPad. The TSA-friendly design also allows you to completely open up this panel, allowing TSA agents to clearly view contents, without requiring you to remove laptops or tablets from their compartments. Next, we will fill up the other side with various items, including a mobile hotspot. Headphones and cables. Pills and medicine. AV adapters. And a wallet. The 100% polyester taffeta lining creates a smooth, premium interior surface. And the contrasting light-colored interior lining not only looks professional, but makes finding items easier in low-light conditions. With all of these areas to organize different items, it is no wonder that people call Tolaccea the Swiss Army knife of backpacks. We have actually packed all of this with the extension open, but there is plenty of room, even without the extension. So let's zip that up. With the expansion open, the backpack can hold 45 liters. Without it, the backpack holds 40 liters. Also, we have not even used the front, elastic pouch. Let's go ahead and put something in the side pockets as well. In the first side, we put a selfie stick. Flipping to the other side, we'll pack a small umbrella. Now let's close everything up. Packed for a 5-day trip, this backpack can easily substitute your carry-on suitcase, with added organization, laptop storage, and the convenience of a backpack. The 600D polyester fabric with PU coating feels premium, is super durable, and is made of recycled materials. One thing to note though, while it is relatively water resistant, it is not waterproof. Overall, it weighs about 4 pounds, which is not too heavy for the size of the bag. Using it as a backpack, the 3D breathable back panel increases airflow and comfort during extended carrying. The mesh construction with strategic ventilation prevents heat buildup and moisture accumulation. It does also have handles on the side, so you can carry it like a suitcase. For business travelers, digital nomads, or anyone requiring reliable gear organization during frequent travel, this backpack delivers on its promises. Tolaccea provides a 1-year warranty plus an additional year with product registration, a total of 2-year coverage. We did receive this backpack for free, for our honest review. Use the code in the description for a 50% discount. Thanks for watching, and if this travel backpack review helped you make a decision, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more videos.